Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I've had my walk for the day, and I just wanted to share 2 moments with you. First, thank you for tuning in. Thank you, subscribers, for always supporting me, and thank you to my new subscribers. And if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please do so. Join the Gene G family so you will know whenever I upload a video. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be locked in. A little over a week and a half ago, I was on the Facebook Marketplace, and I saw something that caught my eye. I wanted it. I wanted to order something. And as I was going through, I wanted to order possibly more than one. I was just concerned about the price for shipping. I like using my money wisely. I don't know about the rest of you. Because I thought the price for shipping was somewhat high, I messaged the owner of the business, and she told me that she could deliver anything that I ordered from her. And we went back and forth, and she showed me some of her work. She showed me some drafts of her work as I told her what I wanted. And I'm going to let you meet this young lady that served me so well. The first time I met this young lady, she was a little girl back in my hometown of Utahville. And she was singing with her mother. And she still has that wonderful spirit. So just continue watching so you can meet Miss Alexis from TTs Customs.
Hello, my name is Alexis Fall from the little old town of Utahville, South Carolina. I am the owner, the CEO of TTs Customs. I started this business small but big. I started just by crafting in the house. Hubby said, you should do this. So I did it. It's named TT Customs because I have nieces and a nephew, and they call me TT.
Now I want you to take a look at something that she created for me, for my brother, and his reaction. You gotta open it because I love you. Every now and then I think about you. Yeah?
Me? You bad guy?
Yeah. Look at him just throwing stuff down. Look, you're all excited trying to figure out what it is.
Oh my goodness. So what you gonna do with this? Put it on the wall?
I think Hattie will tell you what to do with that.
All right. Oh my goodness. You know, I was in there working on Bible study for the night, and it's dealing with righteousness. And righteousness is a lifestyle, it's an act. And it's like, this is the prime example of it. Because it has to do with your character.
Okay.
And when love moves you to do these type of things, and this is what can be seen. Can be observed. And so this evening Bible study is dealing with God's character and what God says. The word that is going out of his mouth is not going to return to him. And it's like, when we are obedient to God, right? It talks about every tongue confess and every knee bow. And this is how it's done. This is how we confess and how we bow to the love and the character of God that motivates us to do things for each other.
Thank you. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends and my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. He's blessed me through the actions of others, and I feel it necessary to recognize them every now and then. Have a great day. Have a great day.